that no one says one with a WH?
He's crazy with it.
I know.
The official Rubik's
We'll
Cube
take
rematch.
home absolutely nothing.
You don't even have a Rubik's. You have a Zinman. You're lucky.
They're technically the same thing.
No, they're not. There is such a big difference.
They're both like 3 by
These
3.
are dirt cheap.
Jasper's locker.
It's not his birthday.
Yeah, it was.
No, I'm filming this, woman! I'll do it in a second. Oh, you're here.
Oh, wait, it's red.
Why you're recording this? Because I'm going to post it on YouTube.
Oh, man, come on.
Yeah, if you make any money from this, you can give the money to me.
Yeah, no.
And me.
How would you make?
No, you don't get the money.
No, I split it 3 ways.
I don't think you'd make any money.
This is not fair. Stop doing this.
You have a better Rubik's Cube according to Nikki.
You do. I do. I admit that. Come on. This
Mine is
is
so
not fair.
stiff.
Yeah, I kind of hate Rubik's
He's
now.
better than you, though, so it's kind of
You hate it if
Yeah.
somebody's better than you at it.
Rubik's makes
come
the
on.
worst
You will
Rubik's
take
cubes.
home absolutely nothing except a sense of accomplishment.
Oh, yeah, I'm starting a black market, guys. Just kind of FYI.
Yeah, so...
I got some stuff in my backpack.
You mean?
Oh, come on. That's not fair. I was so close this time.
I remember.
Who's just kind of like right there?
Hey.
Broke